I thought you guys were joking when you said the second star is heavy. I saw Ndlovu struggling to run. Akazijwayelanga. I saw Mutiba.
Inkomo lebihlatshwe lapha kodwa ke umlenze oqala sudle sawuqeda lapha owesibili bazoletha bona earena la sokudla khona namadombolo
012
ngisimnandi
yini ngakho right
ngidala ngikhuluma indaba kaKhadoso ngeke lapha
Khadoso bakavaya
since uKhadoso angena unama heavy score i3 kuphela ama-season angaki always mawubheka igame kaKhadoso kosuminye hayi ndoda sakhonti sezophuma amaphalsi angeke poor performance today very poor
012
hayi simnandi baba serious hayi simnandi tu
Tako
otherwise simbona uSteve
bazoyithatha abafana bazoyithatha and akulungile madoda ayithatheni vele yenu ithatheni. One thing about the Orlando Pirates is that even though the game is not nice, even though the game is a bit of a hard watch, but they will find the result. Izokushaya nje lezi ziphume zihambe emayiqedwe ukuthi zikushaye bebadlala kanjani akubalekanga. So iOrlando Pirates ivulela induku kubulawa isikhukhune ibingekho enze njani isikhukhune bekufanele shawe abantu kumele bathathe into yabo futhi ke i-second leg mara kuphelile bafethu isikhukhune ngesishaya iPirates esigodini. Come on.
GNU, the victims of Golden Arrows. Pirates idlala ibhola elifile ngeke ilunge kuSundowns ngayidla 10-0. What Dion? What? Nidliwa at home. No, like yazi lo coach lo bezodlala lola. He's cooking. This guy 5 games akakhoncede even a single goal. Like Lamtutus failed to score. Dono Stars failed to score.
Yo, hayi nani nizivele nijabule kangaka nijabule likoleli 1 nakhona lelingene ngemistake nizivele nijabule vele nine ntibona vele labawinile laba strong kakhulu nelingeligol leli 1 goal angawubukeli lo mdlalo but kuyacaca ukuthi labafana besikhukhune bebaniphethe naze nakora ngemistake iligol leli vele nijabule kangaka nijabule iligol leli 1 goal 1 bekutovakala phela kube ngabe nwini ngabo 2 kumbe 3 iligol leli 1 le mistake hayi bo
hayi bafana yadlala iGolden Arrows ayadlala iGolden Arrows as much as iposition ibika iMamelodi Sundowns but iGolden Arrows yadlala bafethu iya defender yezwa labantu bayakwazi ukubekezela emumva they are very patient emumva you can keep coming and coming they want you to come they want you to keep coming abadlala bafethu labantu labo and bamba we counter attack wabayiza nje bazokubamba we counter attack yo babamba iclub enje this big congratulations to Golden Arrows bro sesobona second leg uthi kuzohamba kanjani but no yadlala Arrows
my Buccaneers a win is a win ukuthi itholakala kanjani doesn't matter but I'm not convinced by lama result Orlando Pirates ngendlela ewina ngakhona
uthini ungibuza besikhuluma kahle so ungibuza ukuthi Sundowns iwinile review mina ngithi ilanga lishonile no angisho ukuthi ilanga lakhe lishonile how slow the sun went down badliwe angisho bona bane second star thina sinayo so it's a second star effect iGolden Arrows yabaqedisa le Durban.
Orlando Pirates versus Sikhukhune in the MTN 8 semi-final first leg. Guys, 90 minutes is very long in Polokwane. I don't want to lie. When the game ended, I saw some of our players sitting down. Some of them, like, you could see that these people are exhausted. It was extremely hot and they were busy running for the whole 90 minutes. But what do I think about this game? To be honest, I am happy with the result, right? I'm happy with the result because of last season, this is the same team we failed to beat, right? Because of we faced them 2 times in the league. They beat us, remember, in our first 2 games. Then the second time, right, which is the first game of the second round, immediately after AFCON, that's when it was a draw. So they got 5 points from us. No. I'm lying now. They got 4 points from us. That's what I meant to say, and we only got 1 point. So that is not good. So I am happy with the win. We are going to face them in the league during the week on Tuesday. So this is who we're playing with, right, in this game. Obviously, the same defenders. I'm going to skip to our double pivot, Mkobodi and Mtiani. Remember what I said in the previous game? I said that duo that I saw with Mkobodi and Tiani, in that few minutes, I've seen enough. And to be honest, I'm still going to say it even after this game. I've seen enough. You know, for me, I feel like these are the 2 players that we need. They are so comfortable on the ball. And for me, they bring like something new. And when it comes to Mukobodi, for me, they did the right thing by taking him out. He is not a 90 minutes player yet because of he didn't go to preseason with us. So that's good. With Mtiani, I really love Mtiani. Proper DM. But there's these passes that he likes to make, those line breaking passes. Those are dangerous. Those are good passes, but I feel like he should do them more on the opposition box, because sometimes when he loses the ball, they're going to hit us with a counter. So he needs to be careful on that, on when to risk, and try to penetrate. But I love what I saw with our double pivot. Masilela, I won't say much about him. Our wingers, to be honest, Apollos is a senior player. He needs to step up. He needs to. That's all I'll say. Lungu, remember in my previous video, what did I say? Not in my previous video. Previous videos where I said, remove Lungu from right back and take him to the right wing. You see. Look now. Another goal contribution from Lungu. Another goal contribution from Kambani Lungu. Did you see that pass? Back here, Goto with a cracker, a golazo. So for me, this was the goal that won us the match. With Mbutuma, I won't say much about Mbutuma. Mbutuma isn't Mbutuma. But I feel like the reason why, to be honest, in this game, they didn't even pass him that much in the box. That's the same thing when Sebastian Pedersen came in. I knew he wasn't going to touch that ball. Excuse me. He wasn't going to touch the ball for that long. Because of or as many times, right? Because of I saw with Mbutuma, he didn't receive. There are games where you will see like you'll be like, what is Mbutuma doing? He should have scored. Then I could say, you know what, yeah. But yeah, Mbutuma didn't do much. I expected the same with Sebastian Pedersen. But one thing that I am not happy about is the pitch. I am not happy with the pitch. There was a ball where Smelebele was pushing the ball, and the ball started bouncing. He was just pushing the ball and started bouncing, and he ended up hitting his shin, right? And it went to Lungu, luckily. The same thing happened with Sebastian Pedersen. Go and look at that shot where Sebastian Pedersen was trying to shoot. That ball where he tried to shoot, that ball started bouncing, and that's when how he kicked the ball and it went out. It went off target. So I'm not happy with the pitch. So another thing that I want to speak about is Kazim. I'm not happy with the referee. That left back Kazim created 3 fouls. 3 fouls on Kambani Lungu in the first half. The 4th foul in the second half. How is he finishing the whole 90 minutes without a yellow card? Danson had a yellow card. So how did Kazim didn't have a yellow card? the fouls right on the screen I saw that it was like 20 fouls from Skukulu. Imagine 20 fouls, and the person that's creating the most fouls is not even getting a yellow card. So I was not happy with that. But to be honest, I would take this win. It was not an easy win. We all know we don't score that a lot of goals against them. So I am happy with this result. I'm taking this win. We're going to the next game. We need to end them in the next game in the league and finish the job again on Saturday. I'm not happy with the pitch, but I'm just happy the next 2 games will be at Orlando Amstel Arena.
Brian Leon keeps another clean sheet in a 1-0 defeat against Abafana Betheng. Sanibona Hope Naphila uSolwazi igama. Golden Arrows 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. The MTN 80 is semi-final. Defensive masterclass by the Golden Arrows. Now more than ever, I do believe Ukuthi Ukadoso does not watch a game at PSL. There's absolutely no way you would pick Umotiba in a game. In a game against the Golden Arrows. When you have Uleon on the bench to give you a quick goal in the first half-year game, and then you can wrap things up in the second half of the game. Yabo. But ke abafana besende ngasho ukuthi ungabazeli ngobuso ngoba uzolimala kuzoba khona danger khona bese yalimala. My biggest worry was uPhiwa Khumalo. He tends to be overwhelmed by big games that are physical. Yabo. I understand ukuthi coach Manqoba Mnete would keep him for a long time kuma game because he's a bowler. But what Udladla understood in this game is that Khumalo, keep him on the bench, because Mamelodi Sundowns is a team that likes to keep the ball. So in any case, Badlali 4-4-2, they were going to have more possession in the middle of the park. So there's no use for you in trying to play in the middle. Rather go for Abantu Abafana no Gaza, people that you can use transition. Yabo, Golden Arrows got a lot of chances in transition. Le game got more than 1 goal if they were clinical and better in their decision making in the final third. Yabo, they were able to turn it defense into attack in many moments in the game. This defensive masterclass, they're the plan for each and everyone who makes it inside the box. Yabo, in shutting down channels, even in moments where Mamelodi Sundowns were able to get those few chances in the first half. In the second half, they got a lot of chances. Uma ibhadi liqondene nawo, siqondene nawo. Yabo team edlale first half. The issue is Undlovu was never going to be a threat to Golden Arrows. My teammates betu bayamazi. I feel like he was trying to do too much in this game. Maybe start him on the bench, yabo. And then who else started? Waqala uMotiba, who got some chances, missed all of them because goal. In the middle of the park, you had Ayende, Obas. I didn't see much impact from Obas. Even when Mkolise came in, not much impact. But as soon as Nuno Santos came in, Mamelodi Sundowns became more of a threat in the second half. He started delivering those crosses and passes to Brian Leon. Yabo mabengimake kahle uba inkomo mfana yabo mebangimanga kahle uphenduka ube inkomo. But yeah, defensive masterclass. I don't think his starting 11 gave much. I think he undermined the Golden Arrows and he suffered the consequences of his actions. Let me know what you thought about this game.
Pirates idlale kahle futhi engifuna ukukusho, when you come to hate watch on Orlando Pirates, you are just wasting your time, because iPirates imfethu iyohlezi wena ngiphika imfethu bazodlala neSekhukhune 3 times, but iPirates le may happen ukuthi bewine wonke lawo ma game. So nje mina ndoda ukhethe watch Pirates ndoda sekuyenye into le ngoba ndoda usuke usuyistela isikhathi.